This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove fake browser update alerts that are coming from the website Startprogressivehighlythefile.best. Some people may see these pop-ups to attack their Google Chrome browser. The pop-ups indicate that people need to download and install some Chrome browser extension, supposedly to block ads. But in reality, this extension may change a lot of crucial browser settings. For example, the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL may be changed without the customer's permission. I'm going to install this particular extension in order to demonstrate to you what exactly happens with the way your browser operates after this fake Chrome update is installed. So in general, all the browser settings would be changed after this extension is mistakenly installed. And when you start submitting some search queries, you may soon realize that the results are delivered not by Google search, but rather by some other search engine that has never been chosen by you before. So all these amendments happen because of these fake browser update alerts. You should not trust these fake alerts by Startprogressivehighlythefile.best pop-ups. In case any unwanted extensions were installed, access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. So now you need to disable and remove any third-party extensions. And this was the manual solution to get your browser fixed. I would also recommend that you research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start scanning your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the contemporary threats, and it will protect your system from being damaged in the future. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.